Hello friends, my name is Lucy and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do this gorgeous plastic wrap nail design. So I hope you'll enjoy. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with mixing builder gel with a little bit of white gel polish and glitter. So I'm going to add white gel polish, and I'm also going to add a little bit of glitter. I think that's enough. Then I'm going to mix this. I think it's now mixed properly. So I'm going to start my application. So now I'm going to put my paper on top carefully. And then I'm going to try to make some wrinkles. So I'm going to pop this in the lamp for about 3 minutes for it to cure. So I'm going to remove the paper. I've already cured it for 3 minutes. And this is how it looks. So I'm now going to mix the builder gel with black gel polish. I think that's enough. Maybe I can also add a little bit of glitter here. So I'm going to cure this for about 3 minutes. So I'm going to wipe this with alcohol and then file it. So I'm going to finish off with a top coat. And there you go. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.